Finbox for robo-advisor investing, honest review, watch before using. Finbox is an investment research platform focused on equity valuation and fundamental analysis. It's designed for DIY investors and analysts who want to go deeper than price chart and stock news. You can screen stock, run a DCF model, and compare companies' fundamentals with a customizable template. It's more of a research toolbox than an investment manager. Finbox particularly loved by those with a financial background. User appreciates the Excel Google Sheet integration, real-time data and synchronization, and also access to institutional grade model. It's not built for passive investors or beginners. The learning curve can be steep, but even users get comfortable. They say it becomes an incredible research companies, especially for value and growth investors who need clear data-driven insights before making trades.